I would like to introduce GMO electric water heater, some core part. This is a heat element. The brand we use is BEC because the heating element is the core part of the water heater, so we use the best heating element for it. And the material of the tube is Incline 840, so the life of the heating element is very long. This is the thermostat we use. The brand is Amazon. The type is 590 660. So the temperature range is between 49 centigrade to 82 centigrade. And the high temperature cutoff temperature is 93 centigrade. For our electric water heater, we only use this kind of thermostat because it is longer life. And this is the PT valve we use for the electric water heater. The brand is Cash Acme, so we import it from the USA. 99 centigrade and the 1 megapascal. It will relieve the temperature and the pressure.